Welcome back to my channel Happy to Crochet. Today's video is for the absolute beginners as it is the first video of learning how to crochet. Also, it will be a refreshing for those who know how to crochet. I will be showing you everything that is required to get started. So, let's get started. In today's video, we will be learning how to prepare your yarn, slip knot or magical knot, and a chain stitch. Heading towards crochet, you will definitely be requiring some tools. First, your yarn. Here I am using AB Hariri. It is 100% acrylic and it is made in Turkey. So, when you look at your yarn, have a look on your yarn label. It will tell you what size of crochet hook you will need. In this particular yarn, I will be needing 3.5 mm hook. Here I have also a selection of hooks. This is aluminium. This is aluminium with plastic handle. This is aluminium with soft grip. In market you have lot of options. For the absolute beginner, I would recommend aluminium like this as it is much more easier to work with. I will start with removing the yarn label. Then I will unveil some of the yarn so it is easy to work with. You can choose to work with the outer strand of the yarn or the inside strand. With this yarn, I chose to work with outer strand of the yarn. We will begin with a slip knot. To make your slip knot, you need to take the end of the yarn, wrap it around your pointer finger 2 times. 1, 2. Bring forward and pinch it between the thumb and the finger. Bring forward the back loop over the front loop. Again, bring forward the back loop over the front loop and out the finger. Here you have a slip knot. I will show one more time. Take the end of the yarn, wrap the yarn over your index finger 2 times. 1, 2. Bring it forward and pinch it between the thumb and the finger. Bring the back loop over to your front loop. Again, bring the back loop over to the front loop out of your finger. And this is called a slip knot. Then take your crochet hook, insert in the slip knot and pull the strand which is attached to the yarn. Now you are ready to make your chain. There are different ways to hold the hook. Either you can hold it this way or you can hold it this way. You can hold the way that you are comfortable with. I hold mine like this, which is also called as knife hold. Now you want to get used to of holding your yarn. I do it this way. Bring around your little finger like this and bring the pointer finger down the yarn and pinch underneath the knot with thumb and finger. Again I will show you. Bring the yarn around your little finger, then bring your pointer finger beneath the yarn and pinch underneath the knot with thumb and finger. Now you are ready to make a chain. Wrap the yarn around the hook, then grab the yarn with your hook and bring towards the loop and through the loop. I will show you one more time. Wrap the yarn around the hook, then grab it with the hook, bring towards the loop and through it. This is called chain. One more time. wrap the yarn around the hook, grab it, bring towards the loop and through it. Around the hook, grab the yarn and pull through. When you wrap your yarn around the hook, this is called yarn over. And this term is used throughout the crochet. So yarn over and pull through. So yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Again, yarn over, pull through the loop. 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 So just look at your chain. You need to get used to of some terms in crochet. So as you see this V, while looking at this chain, you have a top loop and a bottom loop. If you twist around the chain, you can see a small bumps along the chain. These are called back bumps. I will highlight on common mistake that a beginner can make. When you pull your yarn too tight and you can't get through the hook. So ease out your tension and make a chain. The second mistake is when you do it too loose and pull the hook, you make your chain. And that is how you tend to make your chain too loose. So just practice making chain over and over again so you will get into this technique correct and start doing some stitches. This is it for the video. Please make sure to check out my next video where I will be showing you how to make single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. Also, if you like this video, please like and share. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get my notification of new videos. See you then. Bye.